Never lose track of important chats again. Learn how to pin your Instagram DMs and keep your top conversation just a tap away. But first, don't forget to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to pin chat in Instagram. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the Instagram app on your device and log into your account if you are not already logged in. Tap the messenger icon in the top right corner of your screen to access your direct message. Scroll through your inbox to locate the conversation you want to pin. Tap and hold on to the conversation. After a moment, a menu will appear with several options. Select the pin chat from the menu. The chat will now appear at the top of your DMs. You can pin multiple chats and they will always stay at the top for easy access. So this is how to pin chats on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.